In today's video we are going to create liquid neon text effect using Affinity Photo. Create a dark background. Add some text. Pick a lighter color for text. I am picking yellow color. Pick a font. I am picking Century Gothic. Change font size. Place the text in the middle of canvas. Duplicate the text layer. Add Gaussian blur of 30 pixels. Change blending mode to soft light. Create a duplicate of blurred layer. Change the blur radius to 100 pixels. Select 3 text layers and group them. Change blending mode of this group to normal. Duplicate the group. Rasterize one group. Stretch the rasterize layer vertically. Place it under the text. Lighten the original text color. Select elongated text and go to liquify persona. Remove elongated text from the insides of original text. Distort elongated text. Click Apply. Rasterize original text layer. Go to liquify persona. Make the text look like dripping. Click Apply. Select both group and elongated text layer and group them. Change blending mode to normal. Rename the layers. Duplicate main group. Move it a little bit right. Add gradient overlay. Then add Gaussian blur of 5px. Duplicate the right layer and move it to left. Change angle of gradient overlay. Duplicate both left and right layers. Rasterize both duplicate layers. Rotate these layers and place above the text. Change color of gradient overlay of these layers. and reduce opacity. Add color overlay. Add some Gaussian blur. Create a pixel layer on top. Select Brush tool. Increase width. Add some colors in the corner.